Ram. Yeah, come, both of you.
And Rotary Club of Bangalore South gets the Golden Award.
Hi.
And the Platinum in the New Generation Service category goes to Rotary Bangalore Indiranagar.
Congratulations. Yeah. Yeah.
Our next category awards are vocational services. And is Rotarian K.S. Nagendra here, please? Can he join the presentation party? The Director Vocational Services for this year. Nagendra, please join the presentation team. Outstation Club Small, can I have Rotary Nagamangala and Rotary Kolar Goldfields? Can I have Rotary Kolar Goldfields and Rotary Nagamangala here?
Bunny, please come. Nagamangala, Bunny.
The gold prize goes to Rotary Kolar Goldfields here.
Bunny.
And the platinum goes to Rotary Nagamangala.
Kolar Goldfields, Kudi.
The platinum to Rotary Nagamangala.
Platinum to Nagamangala. May I request Madam to give?
Outstation Club Large. Can I have on stage Rotary Vijaypura and Rotary Tumkur? Rotary Vijaypura and Rotary Tumkur. Rotary Vijaypura and Rotary Tumkur. The gold in this category goes to Rotary Vijaypura and the platinum goes to Rotary Tumkur.
Vijaypura. Platinum to Tumkur. Congratulations, Vishwanath.
In
Good
the
job
City
done.
Club. In the City Club small categories, can I have representative of Rotary Aarti Nagar, Rotary Sadashiv Nagar and Rotary Rajaji Nagar here? President, and if the Vocational Services Director of this clubs are here, it would be great to have you on stage. Rotary Rajaji Nagar, Rotary Sadashiv Nagar and Rotary Aarti Nagar.
Come. Please come.
The silver in this category goes to Rotary Aarti Nagar.
Aarti has not come.
The gold goes to Rotary Sadashiv Nagar.
Sadashiv Nagar.
And the platinum goes to Rotary Rajaji Nagar.
Platinum to Rajaji Nagar.
The next category of clubs are City Club Medium. Can I have on stage Rotary IT Corridor, Rotary Pina and Rotary Vijayanagar? Rotary Pina, Rotary IT Corridor and Rotary Vijayanagar. The silver in this category is backed by Rotary Vijayanagar.
Bunny.
The gold goes to Rotary IT Corridor and the platinum goes to Rotary Pina.
IT corridor.
Can I request you to hand it over to Madhura, please?
Yeah, madam, on behalf of Pina. Yeah, you can hold on.
In the City Club Large, can I have on stage President or the Vocational Service Director of Rotary Udyog, Rotary Indiranagar, Rotary South, and Rotary Bangalore. Rotary Bangalore, Srini. Rotary Bangalore.
Srinivas, please come.
So we have 4 clubs here.
Come.
You got a truck?
Come.
The silver in this category goes to Rotary South.
South. Come.
The gold in this category is shared between Rotary Indiranagar and Rotary Bangalore.
Gold is shared by 2.
Indiranagar and
Indiranagar
Bangalore.
and Bangalore. This is
And
for
the
Bangalore.
platinum is won by
This is for-
Rotary Udyog.
Udyog, platinum. Congratulations, man. Yeah, stand for the photograph.
Our next category awards are international service. Nagendra, thank you so very much for being on stage. Madhura, I'm sorry, I'm going to trouble you for just a little while more, Madhura.
Yeah,
Is that okay? A little while more? Fine.
5.
International service. Can I request Rotarian Kiran Bol to please join us on stage? International service.
Yeah, come, Kiran.
In the outstation club small, can I have representatives of Rotary Maddur and Rotary Punganur Central to please join us on stage? Rotary Maddur and Rotary Punganur Central.
No central. Come. Sharan, come. Congratulations.
Gold goes to Rotary Maddur and the platinum to Rotary
Prasad,
Punganur Central.
on behalf of Madhur, just receive this one. Congratulations.
In the outstation clubs large,
Platinum to
we have 2
Sharan,
clubs.
Punganur Central.
Can I have representatives of Rotary Tumkur East and Rotary Mandya? Tumkur East and Mandya.
Oh, yeah.
Tumkur East and Mandya. The silver in this category goes to Rotary Mandya and the platinum goes to Rotary Tumkur East.
Mandya, Mandya.
Tumkur East,
Platinum to Tumkur East. Request Kiran to hand over to East.
in the City Club small, can I have representatives of Rotary Sadashiv Nagar, Rotary Northwest and Rotary Rajaji Nagar up here? Northwest, Rajaji Nagar and Sadashiv Nagar.
Northwest, Ramesh Joshi was here.
Northwest, can I have Ramesh Joshi?
Come. Please come.
The silver in this category goes to Rotary Northwest. The gold to Rotary Rajaji Nagar and the platinum to Rotary Sadashiv Nagar.
Gold to Rajaji Nagar. Rajaji Nagar. Yeah.
The platinum to Rotary
Thank
Sadashiv
you.
Nagar.
Congratulations. Platinum goes to Sadashiv Nagar. Kiran, come. You have to give.
Okay, in the City Club medium, can I have on stage members of Rotary, President of Rotary Cubbon Park, Rotary Cantonment and Rotary Southwest. The silver in this category,
Come.
quickly,
Yeah, you are
President.
here.
A little faster if you don't mind. The silver in this category goes to Rotary Cantonment.
Cantonment.
The gold to Rotary Cubbon Park. And the platinum to Rotary Southwest.
Gold to Kaban Park.
The next category is City Club Lodge. And can I request representatives
Southwest
of
Platinum
Midtown,
Award.
South, Indiranagar, and Orchards to come up, please.
Congratulations.